So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So previously, when we have discussed about Subex, we have discussed three major important updates. So what was the first one? So first one was regarding AI automation platform. Second one was regarding ESOPs. And third one, what was the third one? It was also very important regarding the investor meeting. So these are the three things that we have discussed in our previous videos. So many people are asking to discuss about bulk deals as well. So today we'll try to discuss all the bulk deals and also various insider deals that happened regarding ESOPs as well. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding any share, or if you want to recommend any separate video analysis, I'll take those requests and I'll make a separate video so that it will be clear for you as well. So for that, you can message me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So that is the Instagram ID. So you can message me directly there. So I'll answer all your questions. So first, starting with Subex. So you can see the volume analysis, right? So in volume analysis, clearly you can see the deliverable quantities were decent, but we can say they are increasing. So when I take you to the in-depth chart, so there you'll understand that the volume which we were expecting slightly has increased as compared to previous days sessions as well. So traded quantity obviously will be present. So market is little volatile. So not only today, since past 2 days we are seeing some correction in the market. So what are the major reasons? So global factors, profit booking, and also net FIIs and DIs both are remaining on selling side. So ultimately we can't do anything. So when major players are on selling side, just we need to watch the market, and what we should do, we need to search for good quality stocks and try to invest in them in small portions, especially for long term. So Subex, we know that earlier it has gone to almost 40 rupees level. From there we have seen little retracement. Obviously profit booking will be seen. So and various other reasons are there that also discuss. So when I take you to the bulk deal, so there you'll understand little more. For right now, if you see, little bit of traded quantity has decreased and deliverable quantities have increased. Okay, so if you see day-to-day wise deliverable quantities in Subex, so you can see basically from let's say from 10th March. So from 10th March we have seen almost 1.9% positive movement. So there was fall in delivery. So the last 2 days you can see, that is 12th March and 15th March, you can see there is jump in deliveries. So ultimately when jump in deliveries is present, that time only we can expect little movement in the stock as well, and also little market sentiment also needs to be positive. So yesterday it was negative, so that's why even though we have seen some jump in delivery, the stock could not rise. Okay, so today, yesterday also you can see rise in delivery with fall in price. But what you can understand here, so see this particular column, so this is nothing but the traded volume. So you can see on 12th March we have seen considerably less as compared to previous 2 days as well. So that's why we have seen some little correction, and again we have seen some increase in traded volume. So today, since the market is in little positive side, we have seen some reversal. So currently it's almost a 3% positive. So we'll try to find out what can be the next targets as well. Okay, so we're back onto the bulk deal section. So we'll discuss only the recently happened bulk deals. So previous bulk deals, I think we have discussed earlier as well. So recently the bulk deals which happened on March 8th. So you can see 2021. So Geeta Chetan Shah. So you can see so let me highlight. So number of shares bought is roughly around 28,76,452 at 38.95, and first they have sold, after that they have bought additionally. So you can see 17 lakh shares have been sold at 38.09. So whenever any big players are doing any sort of selling, so that particular level also becomes very crucial on technical charts. So you need to see these important levels on your chart charts as well. Try to mark them so that they will act as support and resistance in the coming sessions. So if you see the selling side, you can see little selling was there, but buying, you can see 28 lakh shares are present. So half has been sold and remaining is still present. So this is bulk deal which happened recently. So little bit of selling is present near bulk deal. So majorly we know that public has major stake. So if you go and see shareholding pattern also, you will find for Subex majorly it is present with public. So profit booking and all is common. Again they will only buy, again they are only selling. So little traded quantity is increasing. Next, when we see the insider deals. So insider deals, if you go and check out on 15th March, so you can see the date as well. So on 15th March 2021, so you can see Subex Employee Welfare and ESOP Benefit Trust. So we know now, yesterday, I think 2 days back we discussed regarding ESOPs, Employees Stock Options. So what is that? Employees Stock Options. So about that, I have made a dedicated video as well. So if you don't know about that, you can see my previous video as well. So that time, that is on March 15th, they have sold almost 1,42,000 shares have been sold on 12th March. That is offer off market. So off market happens. So we discussed regarding this as well. So later on 12th March also we have seen Rohit Maheshwari. So he sold 36,850 shares. So still holding is present. So little I told ESOPs wise for any struggling company, especially whose financials are not that great, for them it will be a trouble. But for Subex, we know that it has provided some consistent results on quarter on quarter basis, so that may not be the major problem. So don't have any panic situation. So it will show movement because majorly many people are holding stakes. That thing also you need to remember. So management wise, majorly when we discussed about MD as well, so he also told that the Subex which used to trade at very high values, if you go 14 years back, after 14 years when it started declaring dividend of 10%, we know that last quarter it has declared dividend of 10% after 14 years. So you can assume how much confidence is present within them as well. Okay, so that was the basic details regarding bulk deals as well as insider deals. Hope it is very much clear. So if you want to read the statements, that is the PDFs that we have downloaded, so that is present in previous video. So do watch them as well. So momentum wise, we are seeing still momentum is present. So strongly bullish. So what are the two another things? RSI as well as money flow index. So what is MFI? So MFI is whenever any stock is in little overbought region or oversold region, so that is indicated by MFI with a number. So if it is 20 below, it is called oversold, and if it is 80 above, it is called overbought. So when it goes to overbought, ultimately little pullback happens, and similarly when it goes to oversold, reversal happens. So little overbought region was present. That's why in previous days we have seen little correction, and also market sentiment was also cooperating with that. So obviously little correction was seen. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see some important levels, so where the stock may be achieved in the coming sessions. Okay, let's see even returns wise. Returns wise, we can see 1 week it has corrected almost 5%, 1 month 28.77, 3 months 26.15 positive return, 6 months 247, 1 year 665, 3 years 342, 5 years you can see 317.45% returns have been given. So 10 years we know it was little down, so ultimately returns doesn't matter. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So you can see this is the 1-day chart of Subex. So clearly you can see it is near 38.20, and on that is currently it's going. So time is around 10:24. It is near 3.10. Positive movement is seen. So if you see technical chart, so clearly you can see a reversal pattern. So it has been taking the support. So what is that support? Clearly you can see 37. I told 37, 36 are very important. So in last videos also I told if you find the stock in that particular region, try to grab it. So today it has been respecting the levels. So you are seeing some reversal. So immediate first target would be 40. After that second target would be 42. Okay, so what are the two targets? Support, all of you know, 36 and 37. So between those regions, if it comes, you can add it. So immediate targets would be 40 as well as 42. Okay, so these are the immediate targets. So correction is obvious. So this stock you can see continuous movement was seen. So any stock which is having continuous movement, obviously profit booking will happen. So many people will exit. Again they'll add because potential is present little bit. So major updates are there. So it will start retracing again. So you need to have that patience to hold for long term. Okay, so you can see two levels. So one is 40, another one is 42, which would be the near term targets. Okay, so in 1 week chart also you can see how a wick has been formed downward, that is buying pressure is still seen. So not that only selling is present. So you can see this is major point today is major point 40. If it crosses 40 and closes today, that is also going to be very crucial. So in next coming days also it may continue that bullishness. Okay, so make sure you watch the 40 level. If it closes 42, and after that depending upon the market situation it can go to 45 as well. Okay, and money flow index you can see, not this one, so yeah, in this you can see it has entered little overbought, so that is nothing to panic there. So focus on the levels. So further if you're having any doubts you can message me in the comment section, or you can message me in Instagram as well. So until then, take care, bye bye.